What's going on, guys? Stefan here with you, S&E's Garage. Today we're here in the shop with our GX470. We just got done replacing our front axle again. We actually rebuilt our original equipment axle that we removed and reinstalled it because we completely obliterated this track motive extended travel or articulation CV axle. That's besides the point. Wasn't even doing anything crazy. I was backing up in 4 low up a hill and it literally exploded. So with that being said, we're going to take this time to go ahead and beef up the front differential here by replacing this bracket here. Now, if you have an earlier built GX470, so 2006-ish and older, this bracket here, I don't know if you can hear it, is going to be aluminum. Now that is a problem because this is the longer side of the differential. And what can happen here is this can actually fracture under, heavy loads, and then it'll send your diff straight into your oil pan. Now this part has been superseded several times. So what we have here is the latest and greatest from Toyota Lexus. It's going to be part number 52380-04071. This is made out of steel, and it's also going to come with a new bushing, which is nice. So we're going to be basically killing two birds with one stone. We're going to be replacing the bushing and this piece. So let's go ahead, let's get the truck up a little bit higher in the air. If you do have a splash shield, you are going to have to remove it, or a skid panel. We have ours out here because we just did our axle. So let's go ahead, lift the thing up, and let's pull those bolts out. Now this is going to be one of the easiest preventative repairs you can do on your GX, especially if you use it off-road like we do. This is not something you want to have fail on you out on the trail and dump all your oil all over the place. It's just not going to be a good time. It's 3 nuts and bolts, super easy. Up front, we're going to have a 22 with a 19mm nut up top. So let's go ahead and blast that off. And you'll see this is going to come right out. Just go ahead and grab our nut here, keep it somewhere safe. Okay, and now we're going to take our 19 and we're going to go ahead and remove this. So what I have right here is a magnet. You'll see the magnet is not attracted to this whatsoever. If we take our new one here, it is. So let's just go ahead. The same way we removed, we're going to reinstall. You're going to start by dropping one of the bolts like we just did. Okay. Before we run this down, we're going to go ahead and get everything started so we know that we're lined up correctly here. Okay, let's take our 19s here. You don't need to murder these, they're going into aluminum. Okay, let's take our 19 open-ended, stick it here, grab this. Done. It was that easy. You just prevented yourself from having a major failure out on the trail, and the front end of your GX is now that much sturdier. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll leave a link to one of these guys in the video description below. If you buy from that link, it does help us out, and we'll see you guys next time.